Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for coming and supporting me. The ones that supporting me, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. This is the makeup look that I'm gonna be showing you guys. It's really easy and it's affordable too for the young ladies that can't afford like high-end makeup, or you know, something simple. Okay, it's not too hard. Okay, and my name is Yasmin Aka. This is my YouTube channel, and I will appreciate you guys for supporting me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Anyways, welcome my ladies, welcome. I'm gonna be talking throughout the video, so if you're annoyed by my voice, you could get the fuck out, okay? I don't give a fuck. Okay, let me just relax. It got really intense. Anyways, enjoy my makeup tutorial, and if you have any comments or suggestions for me, comment below and I will appreciate that. Okay, I don't want negative comments. Okay, just letting y'all guys know that. Don't be fucked up, because I'm not with it. Okay, but this is the makeup tutorial that I have for you guys. Okay, so keep on watching. Okay, let's get on then. Hi everyone. Not kidding. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Yasmin Aka's channel. Obviously, that's me. Duh. Kidding. But we're gonna start a makeup tutorial today. Again and again and again. Alright, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. If you don't want to subscribe, then stop looking at me and stop saying dumb shit. You understand? If you're not supporting me, go somewhere else. But if you are like watching it and want to be chismosa and shit, it's fine. You could do it. It's fine. Everyone's welcome. Even the haters are welcome, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna do a look that I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do, sorry. But let's get started, okay? I started with priming my face with Cover FX. Sorry. Blur primer, okay? So I used this already. Understand? I don't know if you can see, but it's so light. This light is crazy right now. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna start with well, what I use for my eyelids, I use contour, the contour cream kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use the shade, I usually use banana, but I'm not gonna use banana today. I'm gonna use neutral, okay? This one in the middle. Don't mind my fingers, look disgusting, I understand. I don't do my nails. Okay, I'm not that naily girl. Probably I'll upgrade to do my nails, but right now, no. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna start with this brush. Okay, sorry, this brush is crazy right now. And I'm gonna conceal. I'm gonna like carve my eyebrows too. So I do start over here. I have to do my eyebrows. I haven't done them for a while. It looks like, so I use Real Technique beauty sponge. Real Tinting sponge. Sorry. Alamar Cosmetics, okay? It's beat up and stuff because that's how you know I use it. Okay, so I'm gonna use a transition shade, okay? So this is a shade that I'm gonna use is Cocoa Taxi. Access. I need to do it on your lid. It's nice and blended. You go back, you go to another color. I really don't know what kind of eyeshadow I'm gonna do, but I'm going for like a neutral color, neutral look. Say. Okay, so this I got this as a gift. So I'm gonna use this palette. It has 35 shades, multi-finish eyeshadow palette, so it's really good. It's ultra warm, so these are like all warm tones, and it's Profusion Cosmetics. Okay, so we're gonna start. Like, I still have this plastic thing because I want to take it out. Because what happens if, like, you know, I still want it to be neat and nice. Okay, but we're gonna go with this orangey color. Okay. Tap the access. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go under the transition color. You see how pretty that looks? Do you see that? Do you really see that? Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna go back to my transition shade because I feel like it got lost with orange color. So we go back. Okay, we're gonna go with this burgundy color. This like cut crease. This is the fun part. Now this one, I do use the yellow. Okay, I use the yellow. I use banana because it looks more brighter and more like, you know, yellowish. So it makes it look like standing up. Okay. Okay, what I do, I'm gonna do it like up to here. First, I'm gonna use this one. Okay. This it's like a champagne color. Okay. I'm gonna use it with my middle finger. Okay. Look how pretty it is. And then we'll tap in the middle, in the edge. You see how pretty it is? Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay. Sorry, guys. Back. Okay, so I've used I did eyeliner. Okay. I used this one. This one's really good. What I did like a smoky in the outer corner of my eyes because I kind of didn't like it. You get me? And yes, I did wing eyeliner. Okay, so that's good. I'll show you this side, but got like a pimple. Okay, so I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me. This one's good. Okay, I love this one with this weather in New York because my face gets really dry in the winter. Okay, like it starts getting dry. Like I need to put like, you know, cream on my face or whatever. Okay, I use this one. Anyways, done ranting and shit. Gonna use this. It's like well, I got this for a gift. I got it from a gift for Christmas. but the brand is polished. Okay. Concealer I use HD NYX. Okay, this is for concealer. That's what I use for my under eye. I am number 04. Okay. What I do is do this. Tap, 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 tap. And then I go like this. I don't put a lot because like my eyes are not really like dark. I don't have like really, really dark circles like that. I mean, I'm white and pale, you know. I do need color. So, it's my real technique. Sponge and blend this shit, boy. So next you use I'm gonna use HudaBeauty to bake my under eye. Okay, banana bread. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use. You see? You see? Oh my god, I hate this HudaBeauty. Okay. Damn, girl, the powder's crazy. I'm gonna use this Keisha, I forgot the freaking name. Oh my god, because it's like, it's a CK. I got it in Target. I got these, but I got them like a long time ago. But yeah, but I'm gonna be listing everything down below, just letting you know. And I'm gonna bake my other eye. Okay. What I do this. Okay, so you go to. I did my under eye off camera. I did my contour off camera. I did my blush and my highlight off camera because this lighting was acting up. Okay. Anyways, I used NYX Soft Spoken for my lip color, and I used for lip contour I used HudaBeauty Trendsetter. Okay. What else did I use? Oh, I used my highlight. This is my highlight. This one and this one. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, I'll show you. On my hand. You see? I can't see. For mascara. Mascara, I'll be using it's Cosmetics. I have a larger size, but I have the big size, but I'm gonna use this one because when I don't have no more, I'll use the other one, whatever. So this is the makeup look, guys. My ladies, thank you. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys another day, another time that I will do another video, another eye look. But I will gladly appreciate for you guys to suggest what kind of eye look you guys want, or what kind of like ideas you guys want me to do. Okay, I will appreciate that so much, and thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys later. See you later, alligators. Bye.